лезть. Не надо. Ты...
Bully. You can't even. What are you hitting him with? You have no other arm.
Are you coming?
What did you just say?
Oh. Oh.
This
Wait.
cat is not being harmed in any way and truly enjoys doing this trick.
It's a little flip.
Oh my gosh.
Part 2, double mom hug. Ready, niggers?
Nope.
Oh, it's cold.
These people use their cat to catch a bug.
Got him. Cats. Smells good? Yeah. Ooh.
Oh. Just hi. How you doing?
Baby, you hungry? Say yeah.
Copycats.
She came home after petting a cat that her cat absolutely hates.
Yeah, you better go run. And that's the way he likes it.
This is Aries, who is a cat that was born with hyperextended rear legs. He isn't in any pain and is pretty much a normal cat in every other way.
Are you gonna pray or someone else is gonna pray?
Yes, you can do it. You can do it, Snowball. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
This cat seems to have adopted this monkey.
I can't find my screwdrivers anywhere. Like, where did they go?
This poor cat had an existential crisis.
Why are you doing this?
Oh yeah. When it comes to realization, like, I don't know why.
He was trying to force his cat
These
to love
cats
him.
are hilarious. I don't know.
It's not
I
that
kind of want a
serious.
cat now.
Have one. You can have one bite. It's pistachio ice cream.
Oh no.
This chunky
Some ice
monster
cream.
of a boy. He's not overeating. I know that. Look at.
The streamer's cat really loves her.
Wow.
I don't know what she's looking at.
She's looking at you.
He just flung cat litter out of the box. He's probably gonna do it again. Oh my god.
Oh, flying cats. Oh no. No, that can't be
Who would
real.
you save in a burning building, me or Kenzie?
You?
For some reason, a bat latched onto the collar of this cat.
What? That can't. That can't real. That can't be real.
Like,
This poor cat was halfway to heaven.
Nella. Girl, stop. Jesus Christ.
You want to eat? No,
Obviously.
it's not time. You just ate.
They wanted to introduce their new kitten to their older cat.
Stop. Shut up.
Bow, hit her. Hit her.
This
There
cat
you
was in
go.
trouble and yelled for backup from her big brother.
It's Bat Cat.
Did you get that?
What? Oh, you got allergies. Oh, man.
What do you think is wrong with this cat?
stop it. Stop. What are you doing?
Do you
Yeah,
like
the
your new
cat-
tie?
It's a producer.
It makes you look very handsome.
This cat was really upset that they woke up from their nap.
What happened? Do you wake yourself up? I know you are so very grumpy.
They know how to say hello.
Careful, please. Really careful. Not yet.
Oh my god. What? Cat's a human. Oh.
A cat got too close to a candle and its tail caught on fire. The outer layer of fur was protecting the cat, which is why the cat didn't freak out.
What? Until... No way. Oh. Not in my house.
I have never seen a cat run in cursive before.
Oh.
Unfortunately, Oliver, as you know, your sales have not increased, for this month. So, unfortunately, we have decided that we will need to be letting you go.
This behavior is not professional, and I will be calling security. Security! Ah!
Not gonna help you. Damn, cats are like real thin. Whoa. Let him talk. He's having a good dream.
This cat got a little nervous and protective when the baby put their hands over the balcony.
Protective. I mean, cats are smart, you know? And they play beats.
Attempt to make this shoe launch off the desk on its own. You ready?
Wow. That's magic. What? He's right. He's gonna open it up. And he's gonna open
Hairless
the other
cats
one.
often need lotion in order to protect their skin.
Cat one up on them. Look at this. A hairless cat.
So let's go do your stretches, guys. Show me. Oh.
Something dropped.
Oh my god.
Pesto chicken pasta?
This guy tossed in his cat to go catch a rat.
I think the visual hit him harder than the smell. Look at this rat. Rat against the cat.
This person has a cat that walks on the same path every day.
No way. I mean, you're gonna have a cat, you might as well have two. They're gonna drive you crazy.
This person wanted her dogs to come back inside, but they weren't really listening. The cat saw that they weren't listening and wanted to help out.
Oh no. Cat's smart. Get inside.
Why are you...
What do you think he's going to jail for?
Free the cat! Was hat sie getan? Free the cat! Was hat sie getan? Was hat sie getan? Huh?
This guy was kind enough to save a kitten found on the side of the road.
Someone just... Oh no, it's a whole... Oh my gosh! I can't take you all. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's more. We got a kitten problem.
This cat was confused when she heard her owner's voice come from a security camera. If you take a wet toothbrush and pet a cat with it, it supposedly reminds them of getting cleaned by their mother.
Hunter, are you hungry?
Always.
This cat grabs food from the automatic feeder as if someone will try and steal it.
No,
This cat was caught doing sit-ups underneath a car. I have never seen a cat drink via Bluetooth before.
Now you have. Now
Imagine
you have.
losing a game of ring toss to a cat.
Go, go, let go, go.
think he can sense that the brain cell is nearby, so he's trying to stay extra still so that he can finally intercept it.
Let's see if Bruce likes cottage cheese. Want somebody?
You gonna throw it off? Yup.
This cat has trouble understanding how the screen works.
Cat fight videos are crazy. I should actually do a reaction on that one. Oh.
Chega, Ninho. Ninho. Oh, meu Deus, que gato doido é esse, menino?
Stays. I just got off work, so don't look up here.
You gonna look.
I have never seen someone that loves corn as much as this cat does. This cat just discovered the new security camera that was installed in the house.
Come on.
You got your clutch, you got your brake, you got your throttle, you got your gear lever, AF4 gauge, fan switch, steering wheel. You got all that?
You got it. He's ready.
Hey.
I'm telling you.
Мы с Тамарой ходим парой, да? Как мы его...
What? Cats is like that?
This cat sounds exactly like a squeaky toy. What do you think he's trying to say?
Oh.
What are you two doing?
Can't have glass near cats. Anything that could break.
I have never seen such a nervous dog before.
Looks kind of calm. Oh, now he's nervous. Looks real calm.
There's only two types of cats.
Peanut.
Right there.
Did hers get her cast off? Look, she. Oh, why'd you do it?
Iggy, you ate a bee this morning. How do you feel? Thank you.
Well, the only time one was, and we are doing the whole princess theme, but still under control, of course.
Okay, I got that.
Loves fruit by the foot. She wants a fruit by the foot.
That's the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this super special cat video that I made. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Cats are cute.